bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying at Yesota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesota. Happy New Year in advance. Happy New Year in advance. And I'm using this medium to thank those who are sending money and gifts to me. Ẹ ṣé mo mọ̀ dúpẹ́ o. I do appreciate. Some people, they send gift to me. They send money to my son, Mr. Lasvon Adéwùsì. Ẹ ṣé o. I do appreciate you. Today, I want to teach you. This is matches. Ìṣáná. See. This is ìṣáná. Yorùbá call it ìṣáná. Is matches. À ń lò fún ṣẹ́gun ọ̀tá. You use it for protest against enemies. Àwọn ogun tó ń lé ní táàkì ń gbọ́ gìrìgìrì ẹsẹ̀. Ó ti wẹ́sẹ̀ ó ti sú ẹ. Ó ti kiri ó ti sú ẹ. Ó ti gbẹ́bọ kiri ó ti sú ẹ. How you can use matches? You will hear it today. Get seated. I told you about a stone. If you have spiritual husband, you have spiritual wife. How you can use stone to overcome it? Many people try it and they are sending money for it. They say, Baba, if you want to fight me, I will not fight you. Because I know what I've been facing on spiritual husband and spiritual wife. And when you taught us how to use stone, it worked effectively. The man sent money to me. If I tell you, this is ìṣáná, matches, you can use it for protection against enemies. Don't doubt me. Get seated. I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power Part 2. This is the latest book that is reigning in the market. The price of this book is more than the other books. But those who bought the books are now thanking God. African Power Part 1. This is where I talk about one root that you can use for manpower, for rheumatism, for diabetes. It's inside this book. This is only as a medicine. Treatment for fibroid. If you have fibroid that is not a multiple fibroid, what you can do is inside this book. This is for those who have low sperm count. You have gone to different prayer mountains. No solution. Treat your low sperm count or need. Is here. What you can do is here. You have a sickle cell children. This is what you can do. Or if you are bearing male, you want female. Or you have females, you want male. What you will do is inside this book. Don't forget to watch my other channels. Kenny Show Television, Kenny Show. I loaded many videos there. Even what we do on the 1st of January 2022, I posted it up. Kenny Show. You need to watch the channel. When you watch it, you will see it there. What you must do on January 1st. If you think that things are not working for you, you have bad luck. You want to wash away bad luck. Check Kenny Show. The one I posted 3 days ago, you will see it there. And don't forget to watch my son channel. Review Mr. Lasvon Comedy Adéwùsì. Mr. Lasvon Comedy Adéwùsì. I used to feature there as well. And I used to teach many spiritual things as normal on that channel. Mr. Lasvon Comedy Adéwùsì. Today, as I earlier told you, this is matches. Ìṣáná. We call it matches because he has many children. Ọlọ́mọ púpọ̀ nù. See, kí n lè léyìí o, ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọ̀sán ṣáṣá kọ́ lè léyìí o. Ìṣáná, see. Ìṣáná, see. if things are very hard, you always have bad dreams. Things are not working well for you. Because I used to surprise some people that are not in Nigeria, the overseas country. This book, when I tell some people, when I told some people the price, they usually pay more than the normal charges. But there are some people, they will be begging me, Baba, please help me reduce the price. I asked one person, I said, but you are calling from overseas country, say they are there, they are suffering. I said, why can't you come home? He said, it's so easy to come back home because of shame. They have spent 20 years, 30 years in Oyibo country, washing dead body, doing. I don't want to talk too much. You are pressing. But those in Nigeria, they are able to pay. Even they are paying more than this amount. I'm charging them. I told the person, so okay, how much can you afford to pay? He pays small amount. Within 2 weeks or 3 weeks, he says, so God, we don't see long. Called her and gave her small amount. He was able to, Baba, the thing I did in that book worked for me. My guy called me yesterday, gave me money. Even the wife also called me and gave me money. Baba, I need to send something to you as well. This Christmas, I know how much the woman sent to me. The man is a regular watcher of this program. So, this is how to do it. Ishana, matches. Matches, Ishana. Oh, you need only one box with matchsticks. With matchsticks. See, put it under your pillow. Put it under your pillow. When you want to sleep, morning, afternoon, night, put it under your pillow. Ẹni tí ó bá ṣàṣàná kiri náà tán, people will not disturb you again. See, unless somebody will open it and light it, God is there for you. Try it. This is another small thing for you. Try it and give me feedback. Don't appreciate me until after 7 days. Don't. You need to try this one first. Put it under your pillow. You always have bad dreams. Climbing mountain, falling down, climbing mountain. Some people, they don't like to sleep in the night because they know what they will experience. Some people will beat them. Somebody came to my house that day. He said they beat him always, and he showed me the back. If you see the way they beat the person, he received serious beating. I saw the back. I pitied the man. Now he has overcome it. Somebody can wrap this one in form of tira. They can seal it for you in form of seal. But I'm giving you the secret today. When we were in the village, when we used to go to this Osun River. When we go there, if this has a direct water dam, if they release water, anybody that thing meet on the river, it will carry them away. This Osun River will carry the person away. But we put this inside our pocket. Those who normally release Osun as a direct water dam river, they will be busy in their office. The only one now we want to use inside Osun River, they will not cooperate to release that water at that time. Those people living at Jago Kupalo, Jago, Ejioku, you will remember me, what I'm saying now. Say, yes, it's true, it's true, it's true. We put it there. When we put it inside our pocket. When we go to Osun River, Osun, we will carry basket to carry fish, lady fish, all these catfish. We take basket. Immediately we put it like that because it will dry off like this. Anytime they never release water. You know they are using that water for Oyo Ogun. So that time we call it Ogun, Oyo Ogun, River Basin. Yes, as a direct water dam. They used to release water. But by the time we are there, they won't release water. They won't. We put this small thing in our pocket. And when we are swimming, if this is our pocket, it's doing another work for us. I will not tell you that one today. We are using here for another protection. which I cannot mention here again. These matches are just like this. And lo fati di do. Mo fi ogbe ẹnu sọ ni. And lo fati di do. And lo fasaki. Don't forget the latest book, African Power Part 2 is out. You can get the books as email, Gmail, or on your WhatsApp. Ask for my account number. Immediately you pay, we send the books to you. We will send the books to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. Then you can come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesota, to buy my honey and my books. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesota. I have agents in the town. You can go to number 4 Alokola Street, Mushin. Number 4 Alokola Street, Mushin. Number 36 Bariga Road, Ilaje Road, Bariga. When you go to Bariga, ask of number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. Number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. Atikoto Egbe, ask of number 2 Femi Osobu Street. Number 2 Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Egbe. From Sele bus stop Egbe, enter Maruwa that is going to Agodo Market. Enter Maruwa that is going to Agodo Market. Tell the Maruwa man we are dropping at number 2 Femi Osobu Street. Our booths are only at here. If you want to go to any agents that we advertised before, you need to call me so that I will tell you whether they get honey or not, whether they get books or not, so that we won't spend your money on transport for nothing shake. Because there are some agents, we advertised them before. They don't get honey, they don't get books now. We supply all these books to those who said they need books. Some people say they don't need books. They only need honey. They only need honey for a customer. I don't depend on only honey. I depend on books. To get original honey is not very easy. It's not. My phone number is on the screen. Baba Oloyin Original Television 08054749455. Listen again. 08054749455. Then don't forget to watch my other channel, Kini Show Television. Kini Show. You will see, I loaded many videos there. The videos I loaded there is different from, they are different from what I'm loading here. Then don't forget to watch my son channel, Mr. Last Bomb Comedy, Adewusi. Help me subscribe and share among friends and relatives. Mr. Last Bomb Comedy, Adewusi. And I'm thanking those of you that are sending gifts to me, and that Mr. Last Bomb Comedy, Adewusi. You remain blessed.